This is one of the most advanced cancer centres in Europe, with some of the best staff and best facilities you can find anywhere in the world. It's where I would want to be treated. Our clinical staff are what makes Barts really special. They're totally committed to providing the best possible care to you, the patient, from diagnosis, through treatment, right through to follow-up. This is a world-class cancer centre, which means we can attract the best scientists and doctors from across the world.
This is an excellent place for any patient requiring treatment of cancer. We have world-class facilities, both on the diagnostic side as well as on the therapeutic, the treatment side. The staff are incredibly caring. The hospital has been designed with the patient's dignity and privacy in mind. And overall, the environment of the hospital is very comfortable and reassuring.
We've introduced international best practice in the way we organise our cancer care, with multidisciplinary teams of healthcare professionals, each providing their own specialist input into your care. This coordinated approach means you get the highest standard of care throughout your journey through the hospital. Because the Cancer Centre is part of the wider Barts and the London NHS Trust, we have a wealth of specialists to call on if you have other health issues during your stay with us. You get a clinical nurse specialist for your particular type of cancer to ensure that you get the very best specialist support and treatment during your journey through the hospital. Not every hospital offers this, but we believe it makes an enormous difference to the quality of care you will receive before, during and after your treatment.
The clinical nurse specialist is a well-educated, highly qualified cancer nurse specialist. The main advantage for the patient is that they've got a point of contact who they can trust, somebody who will return their call, knows exactly what they're talking about.
Barts is an excellent hospital. It's the best treatment you can have here, and the staff are very caring. I don't feel any discomfort.
I think the staff are absolutely wonderful. They're not only good, they're absolutely dedicated. Nothing is too much trouble, you know, they really look after people here.
The new Cancer Centre is quite simply a beautiful and healing environment. It's light, airy and spacious. Almost half the rooms are single. All of the wards are single-sex. Everything is centred around the comfort and safety of you, the patient, from the quality of our new chemotherapy suites to the new operating theatres. It even extends to the way we now operate our radiotherapy facilities, so that you can have your therapy before or after your normal working day. Barts Cancer Centre has some of the most advanced equipment anywhere in the world. It means that we're able to diagnose your cancer more quickly and more effectively and offer you therapies with technology that's simply not available in many other hospitals.
If you have your treatment here at Barts Cancer Centre, you have access to the latest and most sophisticated equipment for both diagnosing and treating your cancer. They range from scanners to diagnose your particular cancer through to the latest ways of delivering radiotherapy, such as the MRI scanner, the 64-slice time-of-flight PET CT scanner, the gamma knife, and the linear accelerator.
Doctors have been making discoveries at Barts ever since the hospital was first founded 900 years ago. We've pioneered advances in surgery, chemotherapy and radiotherapy for the treatment of cancer, which have been now adopted worldwide. Our doctors and scientists are internationally recognised for the quality of their research. This allows us to offer patients the opportunity to be in clinical trials and to benefit from the results of that work.
Well, I had leukemia and I went on a clinical trial which the doctors offered me at Barts. I had the mini stem cell transplant. 3.5 years later I'm still here and I'm grateful.
Everything about the Barts Cancer Centre, from the surroundings to your treatment to the quality of our staff, is designed to put you, the patient, first.